So guys, it's a sunny day today and we have broke down in our Iveco daily minibus camper van here in Cyprus. We're currently on a dual carriageway, we're waiting for the recovery team to come. We believe the clutch plate has gone or something to do with the clutch. But it'll be going into the garage to be fit. But you know what? Don't worry, be happy. Grab yourself a beer out your fridge, chill out, relax. And what will be ghetto. Won't go into gear, the clutch is stuck, waiting for a recovery truck.
Why?
Yamasu! How's your lifestyle, love? Ghetto! It's a lovely day. Hello.
That's right,